According to Flora Lewis, an American journalist, learning another language is not only learning different words for the same things, but learning another way to think about things. Hello, everyone. My name is Corinth Micah Gamueda, residing here at Baguio City, Philippines. I took a Bachelor in Science of Accountancy, major in Financial Management at St. Louis University. My hobbies are baking, listening to music, and watching anime. I'm a kind of person who is approachable, patient, friendly, and fun to be with. Now, let's talk about my ESL job experience. I've been an online English tutor for more than 3 years. I teach everyday spoken English, business English, and free talk English. I am passionate in teaching English, and I love communicating with different people, regardless of their age, gender, nationality, and status of life. English is a very important language to learn. It enables us to communicate with different people all over the world because English is a universal language. As a tutor, my strategy in teaching is to make my students enjoy and have fun while learning at the same time. I hope you enjoyed watching my short self-introduction about myself. I'm looking forward meeting you soon to share my knowledge about English language. I will gladly help you improve your English reading and writing skills. Come, let's learn together. Once again, I'm Corinth Micah Gamueda. Thank you very much and have a great day. Goodbye.